Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make a cabbage costume. Gather a large green hoodie, green felt, scissors, fabric glue, and safety pins before you start. I will walk you through sizing the base hoodie, cutting leaf shapes for layered texture, and attaching leaves so they flare naturally. Follow simple folding and glue techniques to save time and avoid pins that poke. You'll finish with a wearable, leafy costume ready for parties. Start by tracing multiple leaf templates onto green felt, varying sizes from small to large to build depth. Cut smooth, rounded shapes and add tiny notches to suggest natural ruffling on each edge. Organize leaves by size and label them so placement is faster and symmetrical. I'll demonstrate how to curl and shape leaves using scissors and heat from an iron or steam to add realism without complex sewing. Start assembling by working from the bottom hem upward, overlapping larger leaves first, then adding smaller leaves toward the shoulders. Apply fabric glue between layers for speed and reinforce areas that receive stress with discrete stitches for durability. Keep movement in mind, trimming any pieces that hinder walking or arm motion. I recommend trying the hoodie on frequently during assembly to adjust placement and ensure a comfortable fit for the.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.